Hello friends, is your car struggling to start? Is your battery warning light on? Or are your headlights dimming? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0625, then your generator field terminal circuit, low, has a problem. This can lead to battery charging issues, electrical failures, and even a dead battery. In this video, I'll explain what P0625 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0625 code stands for Generator Field Terminal Circuit Low. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected low voltage in the generator, alternator field terminal circuit. If this issue is not fixed, your car's battery may not charge properly, leading to electrical malfunctions and stalling. Common symptoms of P0625: battery warning light on dim or flickering headlights, weak or dead battery, slow engine crank, or no start electrical accessories malfunctioning. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the affected components. Alternator, generator field terminal. Location, attached to the engine, near the serpentine belt. Function, converts mechanical energy into electrical power to charge the battery. Battery and battery terminals. Location, under the hood, usually near the front of the engine bay. Function, stores and supplies electrical power to start the engine and run accessories. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, monitors the alternator's output and controls the charging system. Voltage regulator, internal or external to alternator. Location, built into the alternator or mounted externally. Function, regulates voltage output from the alternator to prevent overcharging or undercharging. Wiring and connectors for the generator field terminal. Circuit location, between the alternator, PCM, and battery. Function, transmits voltage signals to regulate the alternator's performance. Tip: if the alternator isn't receiving the right voltage signal, it won't charge the battery properly. Common causes of P0625: faulty alternator. A worn-out alternator may not generate enough voltage. Loose or corroded battery terminals. Poor connections can disrupt the charging system. Broken or shorted generator field wire. Damaged wiring can cause low voltage issues. Faulty voltage regulator. A bad regulator can prevent proper alternator function. PCM malfunction. If the PCM isn't controlling the alternator correctly, the voltage may drop. Blown fuse or relay. A blown alternator fuse can prevent the system from charging. How to fix P0625. Step 1. Check the battery terminals. Clean and tighten the connections. Step 2. Test the alternator output. Use a multimeter to check voltage at the battery. Step 3. Inspect the generator field wire. Look for corrosion, breaks, or shorts. Step 4. Check the voltage regulator. If external, test and replace if necessary. Step 5. Scan for additional trouble codes. If PCM-related codes appear, test the PCM. Step 6. Check fuses and relays. Replace any blown alternator or charging system fuses. Step 7. Reset the system and test drive the vehicle. Clear the code and see if it returns. Ignoring P0625 can lead to battery failure, stalling, and major electrical issues. Fixing this issue ensures your car stays powered and avoids breakdowns. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0504, brake switch, A. B correlation, P0505, idle air control system malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.